Hello guys, we're doing our STEM challenge this week. Our theme for the week is kind of like tropical oasis, so we're looking at volcanoes today. The younger grades have watched a video that's about volcanoes and how they erupt, and the older grades watched a video about hydrogen peroxide and how it breaks down in a reaction. So we are actually doing a project today where we're making our own class volcanoes, and we're going to be talking about, you know how you've used maybe hydrogen peroxide and baking soda before? Have you ever done that? Well, we're kind of doing something along those lines, but we're using a different ingredient instead of baking soda. So we're hopefully going to get a different reaction than you've maybe done before. So here's the important part. What you guys are going to do is you're going to get a STEM sheet. Okay, you're going to work in groups to just discuss before we do anything. So some of the younger grades are going to talk about, by adding different colors together, what reaction might you get, what color might you get in the reaction. The older grades are going to be talking about how what H2O2 breaks down into, which is hydrogen peroxide, in a chemical reaction. And so you guys are going to be choosing two projects. So do you want to add more soap to your reaction or more peroxide to your reaction? So you'll have that option to talk about with your teachers. You're going to talk about how long it will erupt, what color it will erupt as, and why will the reaction be hot. So because it's hot, the teacher will be the one putting the ingredients into the soda bottle that we've been collecting, but you guys are going to be instructing the teacher on what to do. So those of you in the older grades are going to be reading this to your teacher. Now again, here's the thing. Your challenge is to be the grade level with the longest eruption time. So someone's going to be timing you. You're going to see who can produce the longest eruption. Now, it's possible that your volcano might not erupt. How will that happen? Well, if you do not follow these directions, hint, hint, things that are underlined or bold are important to be sure that you do. So if you don't do some of these things, you might not get an eruption today in class, and that will be so sad. So your goal is to have the longest volcano eruption in your classroom, and we're going to time it to see who has the most. So we'll announce that winner at the end of class today. But regardless, it's going to be a fun time. Just be sure that you're discussing your STEM sheet with your group, and you are really reading those directions so that you can produce the correct response for your volcanic eruption. So good luck, and I'll be coming by to see you guys and see you work hard together.